Yeah, okay. So my name is Marleen Venezuela and I am 36.
And my name's Daniel Venezuela, and I'm 37 years old.
Young, baby.
What?
Yeah, so, just the way we found Liv is through friends and family. We heard of the name, we heard of Dr. Cervantes, we heard of Dr. Moore, and we heard amazing things about them and like, yep, we're gonna try that spot out.
Yeah, and I wasn't sold on it because I never like participated in anything like this before. And when I came on site, the cleanliness of the facility, the friendliness of the staff, the quality of work, Dr. Cervantes and Dr. Moore are so transparent with what they do that we fell in love, and we've been back, I don't know, many times since.
I mean, we're kind of obsessed.
No, my favorite treatment is definitely the filler. Dr. Cervantes is so honest with me in regards to when I need it, and the work that she does is phenomenal. It's worked wonders, I would say.
Wonders.
Yeah, and what I like most about it is, even though, maybe I don't need it, I feel like I don't need it. Regardless, she is so honest and upfront with me, and wants to make sure that I leave here looking as good as I can, without looking silly, for lack of better words.
You look hot, babe. Yeah, so if you if you feel better, then if you look better, then you feel better, right? So it's all about Live gives you that confidence. The whole like live to love your skin. And that's exactly what Live does. You live to love your skin, whether it's just some Botox, if it's some filler, if it's a diamond glow, like you just love your skin. And the more that you love your skin, the more confident that you are, the more presentable that you feel. And it just like really builds that, just that confidence.
So I guess I would definitely second that. I think my um, claim to fame would be, whenever I go to work events, because I speak all the time, and people tend to ask me, how long I've been doing this, and like I'll squint my eyes like Dr. Cervantes tells me to do. And then when I leave here, I don't have the wrinkles that I hate so much that she fights me on from time to time. But I love it so much, and the work and quality is so great. And I don't know, like I'm new to this, right? Like sh- Dr. Cervantes, Marlene got me so hooked on this, so that's kind of where we're at.
No, so we can be at concerts, we can be at restaurants, we can be really anywhere. And he'll turn around to like strangers and be like, Dr. Cervantes, Dr. Moore, you need to go see them. It's worth the drive. Go see them. You see these wrinkles? Oh, no, you don't see these wrinkles. That's because you need to go see them. So before coming to Live, honestly, it was just, your regular like facial regimen of just like creams, moisturizers or whatnot. But as you start getting a little bit older, you start seeing those little wrinkles, you start being maybe a little picky, particular about what you see in the mirror. So honestly, Dr. Cervantes was the first person that I saw to, address those wrinkles, and I'm obsessed. I just want more.
So I don't have like a previous story to share, but what I do have to share is like direct interaction. And I think it was the second time we came here, and I had the luxury of sitting back in Dr. Moore and Dr. Cervantes' office and got to see them kind of bounce ideas off of each other on how to treat a certain situation they were dealing with. Not only did they put like the person's well-being into consideration, but just like the knowledge and how they came together to develop a strategy to be transparent with what's going on, how they're going to solve it, was like the seller for me. And I think we drove home back to Austin, and I told that story, I don't know, 2 or 3 times, because the collaboration amongst the two is something that's hard to find.
Mhm. You get two doctors for one price.
You want me to take that one?
Take it, baby.
Yeah, so like the outside looking in, right? I'm extremely big on customer service and cleanliness and transparency, right? And that's what you get here. You open up the front door here, and they welcome you. They allow you to take a seat. They tell you what's going on, how long it's going to be. You go to the back. Dr. Moore, Dr. Cervantes, both are so welcoming. And when you go to a doctor like me, I'm a little bit I have a phobia of doctors, right? And coming here, I don't have that because they put me at ease and I'm more relaxed, and they just provide kind of a transparency that like makes me feel so comfortable,
Yeah.
you know. And I hate needles, right? But I love them at Live, you know.
You know, and just to add to that too, you know, just Dr. Cervantes and Dr. Moore, they genuinely care about their patients. Like they're experts, they're knowledgeable, but they genuinely care about their patients. And you know, nowadays it's hard to find, right? So at Live, like you can know that you are in the best hands.
And if I could share one more thing too, it's like the whole circle, right? The circle of life, right? From beginning to the treatment and then checking out. And I also had the luxury of like kind of being like an outsider in the back while a patient was checking out. And I don't know, it's just like there were no surprises, right? It was such a great interaction between the patient and the person checking them out, per se. Like it was so welcoming and just comfortable, and it just makes us feel great about, you know, choosing Live for anything we need. So
And that's why we keep coming back.
from Austin.